Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hafiza Faryal Education Wali. I am student at Rehan School Online Academy ACCL Foundation Level Batch 13. Today my topic is Never Give Up on Your Dream by Imran Khan. First of all, I introduce to Imran Khan. Imran Khan is a former international cricketer and former Prime Minister of Pakistan. He led Pakistan to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup after founding the Shaukat Khana Memorial Cancer Hospital and Namal University. He is widely known for encouraging young to work hard, dream big, and remain determined. After watching his video, I am presenting my review of the message he shared in his TEDx. In my opinion, this video reminds us that every successful person has focused failure, disappointment, and difficult moments. The difference is that they never gave up, they kept believing in themselves and continued working hard until they achieved their dreams. In this video, one message that really touched my heart is that failure is not the opposite of success. Every mistake teach us something valuable, help us become stronger. Many people stop chasing their dreams because they are afraid of failing or because others tell them they cannot do it. But this video encourages us to ignore negative opinions, stay focused, and keep moving forward. In my opinion, is the video another important point that it does not only talk about personal success. It also highlights the challenge facing Pakistan and encourages people to think about the country's future. It also talks about the importance of good governance. Good governance means transparency, justice, merit based decision, accountability, and providing basic services to the people when institutions work hard, honestly, and efficiently. Public trust increase and the nation has a better chance to grow and prosper. In the end, the biggest message from the video is that every great achievement begins with a dream. Thank you for listening me today.